Today we're going to show you the process for doing an interior wall repair on a vacuum bonded wall with an overlay. Start by removing any adjacent trim, being careful not to damage the batten or anything underneath. Remove any marking tape or other objects on the wall section needing repairs. Once the area is clear, spray isopropyl alcohol over the entire area, wiping it down to ensure a clean surface. Be sure to wait for the alcohol to flash off before adhering any paneling. Measure over 23.5 inches at a couple points to ensure the overlay will be straight. Start applying the paneling by lining up the straight factory edge with your measurement marked from earlier. Apply light pressure at first while ensuring everything lines up correctly. Apply between 10 to 15 pounds of pressure. To reduce bubbling, start near the center of the paneling and work outward. Be sure to pay special attention to the edges and corners. Once the corner of the ceiling panel is adequately smooth, use a razor to cut off excess material. With the top cleanly installed and the edges lined up, work from the center out and top down, smoothing the surface regularly with a flat edge. Tuck material into any corners when applicable. When applying pressure with a straight edge, it is vital to smooth in both directions, up and down, left and right. Use the same level of attention with the straight edge when approaching the floor, making a tight and detailed edge at the junction. Once the corner at the floor is adequately smooth, cut excess material. With all corners aligned and bubbles removed, go over every square inch of the newly installed panel, applying pressure with a straight edge and varying directions. Detailed work at this point makes for long-lasting, good-looking adhesion. Shine a flashlight over the area, looking closely for any missed bubbles. When overlay is satisfactory, install seam tape from top down, making sure it overlaps the seam and stays straight and vertical. Afterward, cut any excess material from the top and bottom. Give the wall one last look to ensure quality, and the job is done.